Hello my dear students, once again welcome back to my channel. So continuing our problem solving series in sequences and series. Here I came up with one more question written on the screen, and the problem statement is if 1 plus 3 plus 5 up to n terms divided by 4 plus 7 plus 10 up to n terms is 20 upon 7 log x base 10, and the value of n has to be founded out by us by making use of the series written over here. So guys, to solve such type of question, first and foremost thing I would have to do is to compute the value of n, and n is what given to us, log of x base 10 plus log of x to the power 1 by 2 base 10 plus log of x to the power 1 by 4 base 10 plus log of x to the power 1 by 8 base 10 goes on up to infinity. So guys, we already know one law of logarithm, that log a plus log b is equal to log ab, and if we have three terms, log a plus log b plus log c will be log abc, and so on, likewise and so forth, same will be done by us. So what can be achieved by us over here? Log of base 10 x dot x power 1 by 2 dot x power 1 by 4 dot x power 1 by 8 goes on up to infinity, So then if we have same base, we may add the powers. So it will be becoming what? X to the power 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 goes on up to infinity. And finally it will be becoming what? Log of base 10 is given to us, x to the power a upon 1 minus r. So what is the value of r we are knowing, because it's a GP, infinite GP, and r is 1 by 2 we know. So we'll be going to get the value log of x to the power 1 by 1 by 2 is 2 only, that is our n it will be. So we'll be getting log 2 times of log of x base 10 will be the value of n over here. Now what do we know? The value of x is asked to us. So the nth term, sum of n terms of a AP, can you see it's a arithmetic progression, difference between these two terms is 2, then again 2, and it's also arithmetic progression, difference between them is 3. So sum of n terms is given by n by 2 times of 2a plus n minus 1 times of d. So in numerator we will have n by 2 multiplied by 2a, and a is what we are knowing, 3 we are knowing, so 2 multiplied by 3 plus n minus 1 times of, not 3, value of a is 1 we are knowing, so 2 multiplied by 1 plus n minus 1 times of 2, it will be divided by n by 2 multiplied by 2 times of 4 plus n minus 1 times of 3, it will be, that will be becoming 20 divided by 7 log x base 10. Now n by 2 and n by 2 will be gone, but we do know the value of n also, so I would have to substitute that also. So numerator will be becoming 2 plus 2n minus 2 divided by 8 plus 3n minus 3 is equal to 20 divided by 7 log x base 10, and we'll be going to get 2n divided by 3n plus 5 is equal to 20 by 7 log x base 10. Now the value of n we do know, that is 2 log x base 10, so 4 times of log of x base 10 divided by 3 times of 6 times, it will become 6 times of log of x base 10 plus 5 is equal to 20 divided by 7 times of log of x base 10 it will become. Now let's assume log of x base 10 as a variable k over here, so 4k divided by 6k plus 5 is equal to 20 by 7k it will be. Now constants we may cancel, there is no issue. Okay, so 7k square will come, that is equal to 30k plus 25 will come. Now proceeding further, we will write 7k square minus 30k minus 25 is equal to 0. Factors of 25 are 5 into 5, and factors of 7 is 7 only. 7 times 5 is 35, and minus 35 we will write, and plus 5k we will write. That will generate minus 30k over here is equal to 0. Now we may get 7k as a common, so k minus 5 will come, plus 5 I may get a common, that is k minus 5 will come, that is 0. So k minus 5 is, as a common will be coming over here, and 7k plus 5 is equal to 0. So k either is equal to 5 or is equal to minus 5 by 7 it will be. Now what do we know the value of k? The value of k I assumed as log of x base 10. So log of x base 10 either is equal to 5 or is equal to minus 5 by 7 over here. Now what did they ask in the question? The value of x they have asked it to us. So my dear students, the value of x will be becoming what? Either 10 to the power 5 or 10 to the power minus 5 by 7. Now let's see if any of the option is getting satisfied over here. Guys, we have 10 to the power 5. Okay, so we may write the answer as 10 to the power 5. Hope you guys would have understood it, would have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, my dear students.